Playing Geometry Dash. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet. It's like 10:09. So yeah. I've completed some of them, like up to here, which I'm terrible at normal mode. So yeah. Dang it. So, okay. Of course. Sorry about the ad. There. No, not that. There. There. If there was an ad, sorry. Oh my gosh. I think, like this is way easier than like a map of this. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to jump. Whee! 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 Wow. Okay, yeah. I'm way better at practice mode. Okay. Of course. Wow. And this is the easiest one. Wow. If none of you have ever played this, it's Geometry Dash. So yeah. I'm probably like one of the most boringest YouTubers ever, so yeah. I don't really do too much on my channel, so yeah. I feel like this sounds different. It's either just me, or the sound is way different after I paused it. Yeah, it is. Wow. Of course. Okay. I can die like more than 100 times just to complete this without going to practice. Over 100. If there's any games that you guys think I should play, put it down in the comment section down below. And then I'll see if I like it, and then I'll record it if I do. So yeah, finally. Okay. Dang it. Nope, Monster Strike, whatever that is. No, I don't want that. No. That's what my brother's watching. My brother's watching Doki, so sorry about that. Dang it. Wow. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it on that. I can watch how long I'm recording. If this is blasting your eardrum, it's blasting mine. So, bye guys.